Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by signing into the Firebase console with an account that has owner privileges. This ensures you can remove the project and billing. Once signed in, export critical data, Firestore, real-time database, storage files, and user accounts, because deletion is irreversible. Make sure to unlink or disable any Google Cloud billing so charges stop immediately. Doing this early prevents surprise costs. After these steps, navigate to the project you intend to remove to begin the deletion workflow. Now, open project settings via the gear icon and choose the General tab. This is where Firebase centralizes deletion controls. Click Delete Project and read the list of resources that will be removed so you understand what happens to databases, storage buckets, and link services. Firebase will require you to confirm your identity and type the exact project ID. Do that deliberately, because this step prevents accidental deletions. Once confirmed, submit the delete request to begin the asynchronous teardown process. After you submit the deletion, monitor the Firebase console and Google Cloud Console for progress. Deletion can take minutes to hours depending on resources. Make sure to revoke API keys, delete OAuth clients, and remove CI/CD secrets that reference the project to avoid orphan credentials. If the project doesn't delete, check for pending billing, required permissions, or stuck resources like App Engine services. Resolving those will let you retry. If needed, sign in with a project owner.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.